Hey y'all, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So Flora Nail Shop sent me over a little goodie box for fall. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Leah. I'm so excited to dig into this box. You guys, I have no idea what's in here, so we're gonna dig into it together. I just opened up all the little tape and stuff. So first thing right off the bat I see is a little lotion packet and a little cuticle oil. So we're gonna check those out first. So we have here, is that from Onyx Nail Pro? I believe so. Yes, I am blind, but I believe that's what that says. And I can see that it says watermelon, so I'm gonna smell this real quick. Give myself a little dab there. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. This cuticle oil is really nice. I enjoy this a lot, and it smells amazing. Love that. And then we have a little sample pack here of some lotion from Onyx Nail Pro. It's got the Flora Nail Shop logo on it, which is so pretty. And then on the back, you've got directions and ingredients. So that's really nice. And then, of course, you got your pretty little packaging. A little thank you card. So cute. And then on the back, a little handwritten note that says, Ginger, thank you for all of the support. I've included some new fall goodies and nail studio tools. How fun. Thank you to Leah. Oh, look at how pretty the tissue paper is. I don't want to rip it, but I'm gonna. Okay. So, oh, these are amazing. I have a pair of these. You can never have too many tweezers. I use these all the time for like water decals and stickers and stuff like that. So let me just get them out of the package here. Oh, okay. So these little tweezers have a super sharp end, so be careful, don't stab yourself like I just did. Ouch. And make sure you keep your cap, because you're gonna want to keep these weapons concealed. Very sharp, but it's so nice to pick up teeny tiny little things. And then the other end has this nice little rubber head on it, so you can push down your stickers and your water decals and stuff like that. Very handy little tool. And it's pink. How cute is that? And ooh, so we have some little art brushes. Those are so pretty. Look at that. You can never have too many art brushes. I love brushes like these. Let me get these out. This one right here, especially on the end. Brushes like these for doing like water paints or alcohol inks. So perfect for, like, you know, dipping it in alcohol and like doing all your little smushing around and stuff. Very nice. Those will definitely get some good use out of. Okay. One of my favorite things. Look at these, you guys. I love these so much. So these are little like stir sticks, and I tend to mix a lot of custom gel colors for my clients, and these are perfect for that. Plus they're adorable. Look at how pretty. Oh my god, I love them so much. And then you got your nice little stir stick end. A lot of times you'll get a polish and it needs a good stir. Like this one probably needs a good stir. I haven't used this one in a good bit. And you can see, yeah, you can see it starts to separate. So these are perfect. They go right down into your bottle, and you can give them a real good stir, and then you just wipe them off with a paper towel, and you're good to go. So handy. So you guys definitely should pick up some of these little stir sticks. Now, in addition to the stir sticks, I see she also has, let me get this bottle out of the way, these little guys here, which are like a little scoop. Now, this is so handy for doing glitter. Also, I do a lot of glitter mixes for my clients and mixing them into top coat and stuff. So you've got your little scoop, so you can just scoop out a tiny little bit, sprinkle it on there, and you're good to go. How handy is that? And again, look at how pretty. They're adorable. I love these. So cute. You guys, fall is my favorite of all. And here we have some gorgeous fall leaves in a holographic finish. in all different colors. Oh my goodness. So we've got a holographic green, a red, a silver, a gold, a copper, and, well, this is kind of like an orangey gold, a coppery, orangey, and then like a gold. I don't know how to describe it, but so pretty. Look at that leaves. Oh my gosh. And these are nice and thin. These are really easy to embed, either in acrylic or gel. So perfect. Cannot wait to play with these. You know I'll be using those this season. Okay. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, look at these. So, I believe these are the sweater sugars to do like sweater nails with. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. How cool are these? Look at that. Okay, I gotta pop one open here. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Look at those. Oh, looky here, we got a little scoopy we can play with. Oh, that is so cool. These are so pretty. So we've got a really gorgeous blue one here. I'm gonna turn my flash on. There we go. Look at the glitter. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to start doing sweater nails and all kinds of stuff. So we got this gorgeous blue, a kind of like orangey red. I'm gonna pop them all open here. Ooh, look at that. That's fun. That just screams fall. Ooh, that's pretty. And then what else we got? Get them all out here. I see a purple. So pretty. Look at that. Kind of like a periwinkle. This one looks very fallish. Yes. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, I cannot wait to like sugar somebody's nails with these. How fun. This one looks kind of purplish, with a little bit of like orange in it. That's so pretty. And last but not least, this one looks like it's kind of red. Yes, so that one's got a little bit of a red and an orange and maybe a bit of purple to it. Ooh, so cool. Those look so cool. Cannot wait to play with them. I know I've got some girls who are gonna let me put these on them. I'm so excited. Sometimes it's hard to talk my clients into letting me put some of the 3D embellishments on them, but stuff like this, I can usually get them talked into. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, look at this little guy. That's pretty. So look at her packaging, you guys. Is that not just so beautiful? Look at this. Oh, it's so cute. So we've got, ooh, okay. Fun. I'm gonna dump this a little bit here so we can kind of see it and zoom you in. So we've got, and I'm gonna get my tweezers out here to show these to you. There is so much stuff in here, you guys. All right, so we've got some like oval pieces. These are perfect to lay down on the nail and then fill in and do like a little bit of a raised gel, like a top coat, and it looks like a little jewel or something on the nail. So we've got ovals and rectangles, and then here's a moon. Look at how cool. Flip it over here. There we go. A beautiful little moon. We've got some hearts and stars in different sizes. We've got some star cutouts, some solid stars. We've got silver as well as gold. Oh my gosh. Another little moon piece here. Oh, they're so pretty. That one's kind of a rose gold. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look how pretty. And what I love about these is these can be embedded and top coated, and then you don't have to worry about like little charm sticking up and getting caught in your hair. There's a little bow. Look at the little bow. So cute. Look at that. And then we've got like some shells and a seahorse. So stuff for all year round. A couple more little shells, some little dots here. Very cool. Some hearts. Yes, all kinds of things in here. Oh, there's a feather. So you just keep digging and you find little treasures in here everywhere. I like the little feather. That's cool. These are so neat. Oh my gosh, you guys. So pretty. What is that? What is that? Is that a flamingo? What is that? Hold on. Hold up. Oh my goodness. There's a little flamingo in here. That is so cool. Oh, what is this? Is that a bird? What is that? Oh, you guys, look. Look at how cool. What else is in here? I'm just going to keep digging for a second. There's a smaller seahorse. So we've got bigger ones and smaller ones. Such a variety in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's so much stuff in here. What else we got? More little dots, more little moon cutouts. Oh my gosh, so we've got silver, gold, and rose gold of all kinds of things, you guys. More stars, bows. Definitely very cool. Okay, so I'm gonna package that back up so I don't lose anything. I cannot wait to play with these. Okay. All packaged back up, mostly. I didn't think this little thing could hold so much. That thing is jam-packed. Like, there's a ton in here. Okay, what is this? What is this? Again, the packaging, so beautiful. Oh my goodness, those are so gorgeous. So we've got some more like little feather here and these little guys. Look at those. That is so cool. Oh, we got some 3D butterflies. Very cool. Those are so pretty. And then some feathers and then a little flower. There's like a little rose. Move the little butterflies out of the way. Oh my gosh, so pretty. How fun. So I do have just a couple of girls who let me put 3D stuff on them. These butterflies are seriously so beautiful. So pretty. Definitely gonna have to use those. Okay. What else do we have in here? So we've got some stickers and maybe some like water decals. So yep, a mystery bundle of water decals for fall. Oh, I love these so much. Water decals are one of my favorite things to use. They're so easy to use and they're so beautiful. Look at these. Okay, stunning, stunning, stunning. I love these. Looks like little newspaper clippings. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. As I say, I think you are the sweetest thing. Oh, look how pretty. Okay, I know. I'm gonna have girls fighting over these. I'm gonna have to hide these. So we've got like the little trucks with like the pumpkins and gourds in the back, and it's plaid. They're gonna have to fight me for it because I'm gonna want that on my nails. And look at this one. Oh my gosh. Then we have like a little fox here. Hello, fall. Autumn is here. Hello, autumn. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. We've got a little bit of Thanksgiving designs here as well. Abstract fall. Those are gorgeous. Little ladybug. Rainbow. Oh, good. Good. There's two of these. Thank goodness. Okay, so we won't have too big of a fight. Oh, look at the squirrel. Oh my gosh, it's made out of leaves. And then we got a fox and a deer made out of leaves, a fish. Look at these. Oh my gosh, is that a moose? Look at that, it's so cute. A butterfly made out of leaves. What a cute idea. Oh, I love that. Aw, look at how pretty. Oh, look at the fox. These are gorgeous. I am just obsessed with these. Ooh, what's this say? Life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. That's so pretty. Let me see if I can see what this one says. I don't think so. I think it's just a bunch of words. Thankful, autumn. Yeah. Yep. Don't have any glasses, can't read it. Another little Thanksgiving one and some more abstract. Oh, those are so pretty. Love them. Let's see what we have here. Okay, and some stickers. So I'm gonna have to be a little bit quicker now because people are coming back into work and I gotta get my video done here. So we have some like jewels. Now this is be really cool to put this and then put one of those little embellishments over it and then just like fill it up with top coat and make it really 3D looking. That would be cool. I'm definitely gonna do that. We have some flowers. Oh, look at these for fall, would be beautiful. Feel free to pause anytime. This is gorgeous. We've got some more flowers. Ooh, that one's really pretty as well. Here's some Halloween ones. Some more Halloween. Very cute. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute. And these are definitely small enough to fit on a nail. Ooh, here we have some butterflies, like cheetah butterflies. That's really cool. Some cheetah images. Very pretty. Some blue butterflies. And some more flowers. So that is it for this Flora box. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to Leah for sending this box over. If you guys want to go check out Flora Nail Shop, I highly recommend you do so. The link is in the description box below, so just click on that. And I do have a discount code down there for you as well. Go check out all the new fall stuff. And yeah, pick you guys up some goodies. You're not going to regret it. There is tons of fun stuff on the site. She also carries Clear Jelly Stamper, Coco and Claire products, Onyx Nail Pro, the Nail Queen Studio. So go check it out and see what kind of goodies you can come up with. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.